Hi guys, welcome to Logic Language Learning. So this is a very quick video to say that the theme of next week's live chat class will be would, could and would have, could have, should have. So I've done extensive videos on these before, so rather than this being a homework preparation video where we talk about the differences, I would just want you to see the links underneath. I would just ask you to really focus on whether you are saying would, should, could, or would have, should have, could have. The differences in the have, okay? I'd also like you to have a little look at the pluperfect. That's the use of had in the middle of your sentence in English. So for example, I had spoken versus I have spoken, or I spoke. I had gone versus, I had versus I went, okay? Because that will be playing a role as well. I will pop video links to everything underneath. It will probably be, I think it's going to be Saturday this week, and it will probably be towards the towards the sort of the end of the day, afternoon, 5 o'clock UK, 6 o'clock France, midday New York, because I've done 2 weeks on Australian convenient time and now I'm doing 2 weeks on kind of American convenient time, because I have to cater for everybody. So let me know if you have any other questions. The email will be underneath, logiclanguagelearning@gmail.com. If you want to take part, it's your first time, that's absolutely fine. You're more than welcome to come and take part and watch live. You can come and ask any of the questions you want. Also, can I stress that I am going to be using a little bit of the voice file stuff this week. So that means some people who are feeling brave can send me a voice file of them speaking. So if you want to be included in that, then do please add me on WhatsApp, send me a message, which will be written underneath. In other words, +44 789 732 838. All of that will be underneath. So I hope to see you guys on Saturday. Okay guys, loads of love, take care, speak soon.